Belgium offers immense economic opportunity as a central European trade hub, but accessing it means navigating a bureaucratic system that heavily penalizes the unprepared. The complexity starts at the geographical level. A business operating in Brussels faces a completely different set of regional regulations and compliance standards than one operating just a few miles away in Wallonia. This flowchart shows exactly how an entrepreneur's revenue is split and diverted into multiple tax buckets. You have to manage ISOC, the corporate income tax, IPP, the personal income tax, INR, the specific tax for non-residents, and IPM, the tax applied to legal entities. For international professionals and Italian expats, a language barrier compounds this risk. Misinterpreting a single technical term in French or Dutch on a tax filing can lead to severe compliance errors. Navigating this environment alone or using unqualified help brings constant audit anxiety. Resources are mismanaged and business growth stagnates. Business owners who thrive here treat taxation as an active, year-round strategy rather than a passive annual burden. Raffaele Perini and the team at Finest Consult act as strategic partners who translate this regulatory environment into actionable steps for their clients. The foundation of their authority is the ITAA certification. It requires strict ethical protocols, continuous regulatory updates, and professional liability insurance. This status grants priority access to shifts, tracking incoming tax law changes before they reach the public. This advanced visibility allows Finest Consult to operate on a distinct premise. Optimized taxation is a direct investment into the company rather than a sunk cost. By planning tax structures in advance, they capture revenue that would otherwise be lost to inefficiencies. Those captured funds are then immediately pumped back into expanding the business. This level of optimization requires a methodology built on continuous technical oversight and strategic forecasting, rather than simple data entry. The firm relies on three methodological pillars. The first is native language comprehension, offering services in Italian, French, and English to establish a baseline of legal safety. Managing documentation and understanding the long-term implications of financial decisions in your mother tongue completely eliminates the friction of compliance. The second pillar is 360-degree financial solutions. A central client activity node connects to accounting, digital marketing, and professional networks. Inside the financial management sphere, applying tactics like government subsidies actively increases the business's baseline value. The third pillar is proactivity backed by technology that is fully compliant with GDPR. GDPR is the General Data Protection Regulation, Europe's strict legal framework for data privacy and security. By utilizing modern tools for real-time tracking and reporting, the team catches financial anomalies early, resolving them long before they can trigger an official tax audit. Together, these three pillars form a protective shield against penalties and an offensive growth strategy for startups, freelancers, and SMEs, which are small and medium-sized enterprises. This dashboard represents the end result of that partnership. Instead of facing a dense bureaucratic maze, clients see a clean interface displaying positive financial growth metrics, clear tax status indicators, and real-time reporting graphs. Every euro saved through this precise strategic alignment is a euro that directly fuels the company's scalability and long-term stability. For local SMEs, specifically Italian expats operating in Belgium, and ASBLs, or nonprofit organizations, can achieve total control over their economic activity. Partnering with a certified expert turns a mandatory, confusing legal obligation into a distinct advantage in the market. You can take the first step toward optimizing your financial structure today by requesting a free, personalized initial consultation with Finest Consult. Their website also offers immediate value through free, downloadable strategic guides, including the complete Belgian tax calendar and a net salary calculator. In the Belgian economy, you do not have to fight the system alone. You just need an expert who understands how to navigate it for you.